Amazing. So during the day, usually it's a bit harder because looking a lot on the charts, thinking when to enter, where to exit. And today, honestly, a few of my setups, which also I sent to my mentor, which today my mentor, fuck, I was so proud and happy for him. He made more than $120,000 in one day. The other day made over $200,000. Like, it's amazing the way that he does tradings. And he showed me those tradings, and honestly, it's one of the playbooks. So now we will focus on that playbook, and we'll look for those instruments. So we started in my live video today to do some of the analysis on Apple, and I will do a bit more here. So we have, this is somewhat of a key level, okay, here. We have here as well, and we have this trend line, okay. This trend line, somewhat of a respected trend line, okay. This is all-time high, so let's just, no problem, we can put that all-time high. I want to also do this analysis fairly fast, so you will see me kind of going through those things faster, okay. We have this weeks here, this and that. No, nothing there. Okay, so we have this daily here. Let's see if we have any monthly, weekly. We have weekly here. We have weekly here. The only thing I don't like, there is two things. Weekly. One that is in the middle, so to speak. And second, it's more on the top than on the bottom, the wick. But it's very good way of closure, so it's nice. But here we have also weekly. Let's say monthly, nothing. Weekly. So we have this one. It's actually fairly, to say, very good. This one is weekly, and we're going to change that to red. So we have that, okay. A lot of consolidation in this area. So I would think that we would get here a rejection, and then after we will get a rally. So we're going for that. Okay, daily. We have here also a daily, somewhat of a daily. And we have here a daily on the top side. So it's good because then we can, if we short, we can short from up here, which is good. Okay. Daily. Nothing here. 12 hours. 12 hours. We have here 12 hours, but I would, yeah, it's the stocks. So let me see, 12 hours, 6 hours. We have here also 6 hours. Nothing there. We have here 6 hours and 12 hours, so that's good. Let me mark that 12 hours. That's 6 hours. Okay. 6 hours, 4 hours. We have even lower and a bigger wick. And that's after market, right after dividends, right there. Oh, let's see. No. Nothing there. We have here 4 hours. We have here 4 hours. That's good. 3 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. Nothing there. Can be 190. I will look now. 1 hour. We have 1 hour on the bottom there. uh, having a few on the lower having a few more zones on the lower 50%. Okay, so we're having a few more here. Just keep that as a note because otherwise I forget. What's the point, right? Then we do 190, which is great to see that we have here 190 within that zone. So I will put that because 190 it's a very, very, very powerful zone for us. So we do that. It's 190. Why 190? Because it's a half of the time from of the open hours. We have here also 190, and it's very strong candle close. So very, very good one. Okay, so also very good one. Daily, that amazing. So basically, what we do, we will put here an alert. Okay, we will put here an alert. Uh, look for shorts. Okay, create and just let's make sure that it's open ended alert. Perfect. And here we will basically look for long apple. Okay, and here also I will write apple. Perfect. So this and more overall, I can look at that as a 50% Fibonacci right there. We can see it's respected. So it's like we have this one confirmation, which is a few zones. Above the 50%, we will have a lower high by the all-time high. Right now, we still need to see a little push to the higher side. So we're doing fairly well here, to say the least. Okay, so we save that. And now let's look. So right here, you see it came today lower, and we're having a bit of a rejection to the higher side. So if we break this, it's not good for us. If we break this zone, it's not so good for us. Let me just see. No. So we did Apple. Now let's do Google. Let's see what we have here. We don't have here anything as well. Boom. So let's see how we can do that. Okay. So split how many times? What the fuck? I don't know if it's true or not, but that's a crazy split. Wow. So they had this split too, and they had this split 20 to 1. Wow. Wow. Okay, so let me see. We have a very strong negative month, even though we did have a bit of a negative somewhat expectations. No problem. So we are looking at this. We have here monthly, but it's shitty zone. Shitty zone. We have here a gap, which we didn't feel. So we will just need to mark that. We didn't feel that ever. Let's see if we have any gaps that we didn't feel. No, we don't. So I'm afraid we are coming down here. Okay. Oh shit. So gap. Okay. Gap up. So this we basically do usually blue. So you see all the gap ups and downs we fill. That's not. You see here we have a massive gap up, uh, which we're almost filling. We will see more. So that's dividend type. Let's see. Let me just see something here. Oh, so we are at the 50% Fibonacci of that gap up. Okay, so let me just look at this. Okay, so in the after hours, we did get that fill. So that's not a big deal so much. But let's see on this after hours. Oh yeah, we got that somewhat of a fill, but yet there is this gap up that we never got fill. Right? So interesting to see if it's interesting to see if it's also a gap up that we will need to see. Gap up. Okay, so this one we can live with, right? So let's now look at supply and demand. I mean, trend line first. Trend line. There's a basa, okay. So this is not a good trend line. We have, what is it, from July to February. July to February, two hits might be okay. But let's see here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very nice, right? Almost here, here, yes, here. Okay, looks like a freaking great one. Okay, let me see. Let me see 1 second. Boom, right in there we have the pre-market. Okay, interesting zone to gauge some. Okay, let's look for support. Let's look for zones. Let's look first for key levels quickly. A lot of consolidation in this area. So I don't know if we can consider that as an area here. Hmm. Look at this gap. That's crazy, but it's earnings, so we understand that. Let's look. Okay, let's look something. Daily. We have this one, but it's used many times. Too much noise in it. We have this one, the newest one that I see. So we have this one here, daily, right? So we can use that. What else we have? That. Let me just have this 12 hours. 12 hours. The crazy part, we have this as well, you know, I don't get that 12 hours. Right? So we have that 12 hours. Let's leave that there for now, no problem. Oh, we have this 6 hours too. 6 hours. 4 hours. What the fuck, man? 4 hours in the daily. 4 hours. Okay. Here we have also 4 hours. A lot of zones in the aftermarket. 3 hours. Look at this. What the fuck? Oh no. Wow. This area is fucking golden. 190. Okay. Honestly, it's a lot of price action that happening here. So it's good. It's very volatile, and I like it. In one day, we had this nice drop, which doesn't happen very often. 14 bucks, 7% almost in aftermarket, which is crazy. Look at this nice, cool, big drop on the crypto. Today. Wow, everything dropped though. Everything dropped 2.2. Question if it will go back up, you know. If it does, we can buy more. So let me just see. Let me just see. I have this, and basically, I hard for me to say I have here a plan, but I don't want to just put too much in this plan. If not that, I will be watching a bounce from here. If not that, man, like it's gonna go down here, bro. And that will be a bit fucked up. Okay, so I have a lot of things to watch here. And that's it. That's on this one. Let's see what's happening with this fucking alloy. I also will need maybe to chart a bit more on this one because I do have the investments on this and nice amount, and it's rallied. Now it's going down. We want to make sure it's keep on going up, right? This motherfucker, not to even talk about this. This one is fucking horrible. Yeah. I just need to have already a nice rally to all-time highs. Like, what the fuck? Are you guys going bankrupt and I don't know? Right? This one finally goes. It crossed this. Wow, I can't believe it. Look, little eye. Nice. This was my entry point. And look how much it's went down. Honestly, my first entry was even 17, if I'm not mistaken. And why I did that? Because I saw that what's his name, Warren Buffett, bought into this company, and this company I fucking bought both, and both went down. That's why do your own analysis. Don't just enter because of those people. Uh, you know what I will do also? I will have analysis on futures. And by the way, if you watch this, which again I'm doing it for my own purposes only, but if you watch this and you like it, let me know what instrument you want me to to get to do analysis on, and I will more than happily do so to get you some analysis from what it is. And again, I will be able to ask my mentor for his inputs on that, and I will be more than happy to share that with you. Wow, look at this support and resistance level. It's amazing. Wow. Yeah, that's it. This one, don't need this. Oh my god, so we are in a good momentum. I fucking okay. Wow. So this one, no. So we are having a higher now. Let's do some crude oil. So I will write and stream now edit. If I can, I will edit here. We covered a plan for Apple. One, Apple. Two, Google. Three, we'll do now. Let's see, 1 second. So, three, what we want to do. I have already the plan on copper, but I don't trade. Let's see what we can do on VIX, because fuck, man, Dylan is doing so many trades on that, and he's earning a fucking balut, So let me see. This one we can have. This one no need. I want to see VIX. Okay, so this one we will need to redo everything. This one. I need to delete everything and redo it. This one was right. This one was. I need to delete everything. This one. This one. What the heck was that? Wow. I'm deleting with the mouse without even. Okay, so this one I can also do it. Another plan. 14 drawings garbage. This one is good. Very good, in fact. I will do that plan of trades. This one, this one I need to fucking redraw everything. Log drawing, remove. Okay, so I have multiple. I need to do it. Right. So now 3. We will do some features. If you want to review any of the instruments, crypto futures, forex, etc. Let's get it. Save. Okay, so what we will start? We will start with what did I want? What did I want? What did I want? Fucking amazing, I'm telling you. This break. I just want to step away for a couple of minutes and get back. I don't know if I can pause. If I can pause, but I will be right back. Okay. I will be back. It's 28 minutes. Somewhere here. And then we'll have another rally, most likely. Okay. Let's see. Silver. No, I wanted to do wicks. Natural gas. Let's change natural gas to VIX. Got it. So he did that trade. Okay, let's clear this. Let's clear this and let's reassess everything. Let's reassess everything. Wow, huh? You see, in one day he entered right here somewhere. Enter here. And boom, in fucking one day. Wow. Very nice. See? Not only trading copper, but drinking from copper as well, which is great. Let me just put more water here. Wow. Okay. Look at this. Wow. So monthly, any zones here? No. No zones. Weekly, any zones here? We have this one. Wow. What a nice zone. Weekly. Nice zone. Weekly. We had this zone. We'll mark that. Weekly. Nice zone. From what? 23 and a half to it went right away down. Okay. Look. From 20, fucking 2-3 days and you fucking got it. Okay. Nice. Let's see. There is any other zones? No zones here. On a daily. Okay, very nice. 20.7. Okay, let's see here. We can do that for now, no problem. No. 690. Okay, so we have that zone, this. Nice. Let's see. So if it's moving up, we will be moving down. Up there, down here. So we might have it go as high as, let's see if we have any other zones. 12 hours. This gap, we'll fill this right away. 6 hours. A bit more red. 4 hours. Nothing here, but some here. Wow, so much consolidation. Patience pays off. Right there, 4 hours. I don't know. 1 hour, I don't know. See, I can check if it will work, but not so convinced. 1 hour. Stand middle. Boom. Now what we will do, save as 1 hour, yes, okay. And I just will need to change the color to green. Okay. Alert here. Right now we have this zone. But let's say an example, I enter here. Best I can do, let's say I enter here, I put my stop loss here and take profit here or here, 1 to 3. It wouldn't reach, but then it still will reach it, but it will be a fucking pain in the gut. So if I do minimum 2.5, then that's different. Okay, so if I play from here, we might have something. Here, nothing for now. Here I have that alert. I can alert on that one too. Let's see. I will put an alert here too. Okay, this is what I have here. Nothing for now. So much here. I mean, I can look also if I have any type of a trend line. This is fucking crazy. It's kind of killing it. Let's see, maybe it will be somewhere here. Okay, I will keep that. So this is what I have for now. Let's see how it plays out. If we have that, then it's very different. If we have that, it's different. But we do, for this, we keep that, no problem. So now we will change on that. Let's see YM. Let's see my YM. On YM, I actually didn't have that, which we should have that. So let's delete everything and draw it again. Monthly. Wow, we have this one, which honestly, we should eventually get them. And this is a very good monthly, by the way. monthly consolidating in that area for now. Tested. We have this daily. Sorry. Green. Daily, not so good. But let's see, this one is a bit better, which we are there for the last 2 days. If we break that daily, let's see what will happen. I want to see. I will monitor it. Wow. Lama se magia broke the 12 hours. Then we have this 12 hours, which I want to see the 690. We have a very nice 690. 690. If we will break that on a retest, I will have a trade to go down here from the half. Okay, I will have that. We have this very nice 690 here, but we have this 692. So yeah, you see, we had one here, one here. Look how great that closed, and look at this. Then we had this nice consolidation. We touch here, and we broke. Look, the same thing, repeat, literally copy paste from here to here, right? And look again here. Fuck, we see it in hindsight, and it's like, fuck, why I didn't see it live? Because honestly, like, if you had this and you enter here 1, 2, 3, fucking 3 days, oh, 2 days, and you make all of that back in like no time. Okay,